what's up guys? This is Speedy Vargas. Welcome to the channel. On today's video is going to be part 2 of finishing the exhaust system on the Turbo CRV. Since last time we had a problem with a part that was missing, but Summit Racing came through with next day delivery, and here we are. We're gonna get to finish it up and let you guys hear it and see what you think. All right, I guess if you're new around here, this is a project that we've been working on the channel for a while now. This is my friend's 2003 Honda CRV with the K24 motor, and we have installed a TSX turbo kit on it. Just a little bit of modifying, then everything else kind of falls in place. We got the intercooler on the front and a couple engine and transmission coolers there, and we're just finishing up the exhaust system right now. We actually install a exhaust dump. I'll show you right now where we're at with it. All right, so here's where we left off, I guess yesterday. We finished it all the way to the axle, and we're gonna make it to the muffler to the back, but we already got the resonator in, the exhaust valve, 3-inch exhaust valve, and I guess the reason for a 3-inch exhaust valve and not a 2.5 like everything else is because the actual opening here, it's small. I believe that the 3-inch is actually like a 2.5 outlet right here, so that's why we decided to go with the 3-inch. And then we got our high flow catalytic converter, and we have the downpipe coming. We still gotta get the oxygen sensors installed, but that's no worries for now. So I guess let's just continue working on this, getting it all done, and then start it up and see how it sounds. I guess that is that. So now we're gonna take it off and finish welding everything up on the bench. All right, so for now, we're just going to plug our module for the exhaust dump. Directly into this, but we're gonna run some new wiring for this, so we don't have to use it at the cigarette lighter. So we got direct power on here, but at least we'll hear how it sounds. Start it up, if it starts up. Nice and quiet. Rev it up a little bit. Oh yeah, that sounds really, really good. I guess that's going to be quiet mode, and then when he wants to go loud, that, rev it up a little. Oh yeah, that sounds really nice. And we're back to quiet. Let's listen to that phone now. Dale uno para que suene la válvula. Let's hear it one more time. Open it up. Oh yeah. One more rep, my friend. One more. right, so here's the last shot of the exhaust system, how it looks. I think it looks really good. We got a little bit of noise from here because it's coming off loose. See, I touch it and the noise is gone. But other than that, we just got we got a little bit of a leak coming out of the valve, I can hear. So I think it's gonna need adjustment. But we also have to put the tip. It's gonna have a tip like that. But I don't have the B-band to go over it. I gotta order it. And I think it's leaking right from there. I think we can adjust this a little bit to close all the way and shut. If not, we might have to replace it and get a warranty, but I guess we'll see that on the future. I guess let's see how it opens up from here. Oh yeah. Rev it up just a little bit. A little bit more. That turbo sounds really nice. All right. All right, so I think that does it for the exhaust system for now and the update on the CRV. I guess we just gotta finish everything up, like make sure everything is tight on it, because I know we have a little bit of a oil leak coming from the return from the turbo. So we just gotta, you know, touch everything up, get the O2 sensors on it, and then I don't know, we might take it to the dyno and see what we're doing in horsepower, see how much increase that little turbo setup did for it. But I mean, we still got to finish up the headlights and all that, finish up all the wiring. But I think the next video is probably going to be taking it to the dyno and see what we're doing. So I guess this is going to cut it for this video. So if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. We got a lot more videos to come. All right, peace. Audio? ¿Qué onda, compadre? Pasá si querés allá adentro. nice.